Hi, my name's Anna and this is Emily. We're members of the Children's Parliament.
Today we're in Dalry School, Edinburgh, for our second Human Rights Defender workshop.
So we're going to be handing out pieces of paper, as Anna is, and you can write your names on them.
We're here to find out what younger children know about their rights and to find out about all the rights that they think are important right now.
1, 2, 3. They have the right to be raised by responsible parents. Yeah. Is there any other rights anyone else? We all agree on that, or does anybody else have a right? It's our role to get the children thinking about their rights. So you're protected? No, okay. Safe means that you feel safe where you are. So if you're not safe, then it means that you feel insecure.
So we're going to be doing another activity where we've chosen our right, we've talked about it a little, and we're going to get little pieces of paper and we're going to write down why we think this right is important.
The exercises have been designed to help them talk, think and draw about why rights are important to children.
So in your groups, you're going to pick a story from one of the rights that you've been doing, and we're going to practice it by doing a freeze frame. The freeze frame exercise was to keep the children active while they were learning about their rights. The more children are active and have fun, the more they'll learn.
Practice. 1, 2, 3, freeze!
If children are bored, they'll get distracted and they won't learn as much because they're not switched on.
You do learn better when you're having fun.
We decided we were going to do an angel called the Children's Rights Defending Angel. So he has a shield and he's holding a dove as a sign of peace.
My shield is about this girl called Alice, and her parents divorced because her dad's an alcoholic. My one's about, so there's this girl who she gets a weather that tells her that's going to be snowing, and then she wears her comfortable clothes. And the right is for information you can get from the media, like important information. And I'm working on a shield about a dangerous house that is near to children's schools, and there's a girl, she saw it on the TV, so she thought she could take another route. It's the right of being healthy and safe. And this is the future and this is the past, because in the past it didn't have any vaccination, so that's why she's sad, and she's happy because there is vaccination.
Their final exercise for the day is to get the children to show their shields to the class, because every human rights defender needs a shield to help them defend human rights.
First one is you can call the police and if you get in trouble, and the second one is you can go with your parents so you won't get any trouble.
We do this children's rights defending angel.
I think children's rights are important because children have to be safe and they have to have a good life, have a happy life, and the rights usually help them to do that.
I hope they can learn that their rights are more important than a lot of things they think are important, and that they need to always make sure they're getting their rights.
Children's rights!